If you stumbled in this video, it's because you're having issues with Cinnamon and you're having high CPU usage. This is what I used to have. So as you can see, my Cinnamon was using a very high percentage of CPU, which is completely not normal. And even though the CPU is not that bad, it's my streaming and recording PC, it was suffering from this with no reason. Cinnamon should not take more than 10% tops of your CPU, okay? So how can you fix this? This is how you fix, okay? So don't try to upgrade, downgrade your NVIDIA drivers or upgrade, downgrade your AMD drivers. That's not going to fix. I don't know who is the culprit, but I did not touch my NVIDIA drivers. They were as they were. I just did a system update. The drivers stayed the same, but Cinnamon got an update, or the X11 got an update. Somewhere in the update process, something got updated, but it were not the NVIDIA drivers, and it's starting to occur. How to fix this? Don't use time to troubleshoot the NVIDIA drivers. Maybe in the future, but for now, do that. I'm going to put that in the description below. If you're watching this in a short form, come and check the link long form so you can see it better. But I'm going to put this in the down below. But you should just downgrade your Xorg server and Xorg X11 server common, and things reboot just to make apply things quicker, and your CPU and your usage should start to look normal, like 9%, 10%. I'm running OBS at all the OBS shit and cameras and a lot of stuff, so my Cinnamon usage can be a little bit high, quote unquote, close to what 5%, 10%, because I'm running a lot of shit. But to record this video, but that's just me. In your case, should be dropped below 5%. Let me show this again. Again, if you're watching this in a short form, come see in a long form. This is going to downgrade your XOR packages, and here you can see the ones I have currently. Okay. Stop, pause, and check. If you're watching it in a short form, come see me in a long form, and this is what's going to occur. Packages are going to get downgraded and get installed. So stop the video here to see all of this in more detail. And some packages were removed, as you can see there, and some others were installed. So there was a downgrade of the package from the 20 to the 18 or something. So yeah, 18, we went from 21 to 18.2. So that's what's going to happen, and you should have your problem fixed. Here are the versions. Stop the video to check all of that. If you're watching this in a short form, come see me on a long form. Sorry for the rush, but many people are experiencing this, and there is no fix there. Like, subscribe, and hype. See you next one.